Human rights. Article 1. All human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights. They are endowed with reason and conscience and should act towards one another in a spirit of brotherhood. So, ang pagkakaintindi ko lang dito is lahat ng tayong nabubuhay na tao ay may pantay-pantay na dignidad, kalayaan, at karapatan. So, sunod is Article 2. Everyone is entitled to all the rights and freedoms set forth in this declaration, without distinction of any kind, such as race, color, sex, language, religion, political or other opinion, national or social origin, property, birth, or other status. Furthermore, no distinction shall be made in the basis of the political, jurisdictional, international status, or status of the country. So, ang pagkakaintindi ko dito sa Article 2 is walang pinipili, pantay-pantay. Pantay-pantay talaga ang pagkakaroon ng dignidad, kalayaan, at karapatan. Kahit ano pang color mo, kahit ano pang gender mo, kahit ano pang lingwahe mo or relihiyon, o kahit political, kahit sa politika at other opinions. Article 3. Everyone has the right to life, liberty, and the security of person. So, sa Article 3, ang sinasabi lang dito na lahat ng tao ay may karapatang mamuhay ng mapayapa na at may seguridad ang bawat isa. Article 4. No one shall held in slavery or servitude. Slavery and the slave trade shall be prohibited in all their forms. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, wala dapat maging alipin o mang-aalipin ng isang kapwa-tao. At ito ay pinagbabawal na ng ating batas. Article 5. No one shall be subjected to torture or to cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment or punishment. So, wala dapat na kapwa natin tao na maging subjected o sa pagtutorture, karumal-dumal na gawa at hindi tawang pagtingin, walang dapat ganun. Tapos wala dapat na parang mas mababa yung tingin mo sa kanya o yung treatment mo sa kanya. At saka sa punishment, dapat pantay-pantay sa punishment. Article 6. Everyone has the right to recognition everywhere as the person before the law. Ang pagkakaintindi ko lang dito sa Article 6 is dapat lahat ng tao ay may karapatang kilalanin sa mata ng batas. So, mahirap pa yan o mayaman, dapat pantay-pantay.